Wagwan, my flavor pot family. Welcome back to the channel at Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. No, my people, this is just a quick and easy something I came up with. Fish soup boil, or you can say soup style fish, whichever. But this is just a few clips so you can watch it, and I list all the ingredients and the description below. So watch the video and then you check the description and the ingredients below. Enjoy, people. Thank you. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Enough love.
Thank you.